Okay, the new monitor just came today, and we're going to start with an unboxing so that you can see how it works. We very carefully took the knife and put it along the edge to get the plastic off. So now you're going to see what's in it. Ready? Here we go. Looks like it's very well packaged. Oh, nice. A little place for everything and everything in its place. Now, the one thing I like to do is make sure that all the pieces are there. Of course, that's the screen. And down under here, I saw the manual. That's my favorite thing to look at. So you can slide that down for a minute and I can grab that manual. There we go. And I'll talk about the manual when we get the plastic off. All right, 18-inch 2K portable monitor. Manuals are very important. It tells you what's in the box, what it's going to do, how to make it work, and you need to look at the manuals and make sure that you understand what it is you're supposed to be doing. I like this one because it has some visuals with it. I'm very a visual learner. Oh, here it comes. It's coming out. Woohoo! There's the back of it.
Now, this one is in a carrying case.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's set up in a
perfect. That makes it really good for portability.
I'm going to leave the screen protector on for now.
Yeah.
And basically, the carrying case
very nice
comes, if I figure out how exactly, you can also put it in a stand permanently right there.
I'm looking at the monitor to see.
Yeah, I've got to decide how this works, but somehow or other it does.
Okay, well, it's going to be in the paperwork here. Checking the package contents. Okay, we've got the cords, we have the manual, we have the power plug, we have the monitor.
Oh, I should.
And here is, see, right there, shows you how.
Yeah, well, that's slightly different than this.
Oh,
okay.
There we go. Okay.
We've got to put the front on this, like.
Manuals are magic. Let's see what else is in here while he's doing that. Oh, this one shows you how to put all the plugs in. Very nice. Okay.
It goes there, and this goes up like
there's
that.
The cords. Okay, I'm going to turn off this video, and then we're going to go to the part where it's working, because you can already see everything's in the box that it's supposed to be, and it's wonderful.